Human trafficking is big business. Many human trafficking victims live in brutal scam factories where they are forced to defraud others. Additional victims are dehumanized in commercial sexual exploitation rings. Their enslavement generates profits of more than $236 billion each year. The problem is so widespread that more than 180 countries have ratified the United Nations Protocol to prevent and stop trafficking in persons. But you can't prevent or stop a crime you can't see, and human trafficking is notoriously hard to spot. Traffickers prey on vulnerable people who may never be officially listed as missing. These include the young, people living in extreme poverty, people living through natural disasters. And traffickers often work in complex rings operating across jurisdictions, making it difficult to coordinate investigations. Babel Street technology makes it easier to find human traffickers. Babel Street Insights scours top-level social media sites for keywords and emojis indicating the type of fake employment ads, dating site come-ons, and other activities used to lure victims. It also searches hard-to-reach dark web forums and sites where human trafficking is openly discussed. Babel Street Insights synthesis helps authorities uncover and explore relationships among traffickers. It pinpoints those who wield the most influence. Additional capabilities connect the traffickers' online personas to real-world entities. Human trafficking is a horrendous crime. By turning diverse data points into actionable insights, Babel Street can help law officers stop it. For more information, contact Babel Street today.